Hello everybody, it's me, Christine Phillips from Help Yourself. Well, one of the things I chat to my clients about is what is their biggest downfall? And the most popular thing is carbs. We all love carbs, especially as women. Carbs is something that we absolutely love, but unfortunately they are not really great for our bodies. So today I am going to show you how to make a wholesome, gluten-free seeded bread, which is going to be so delicious. You're going to want to make it every weekend, and you're not going to feel completely bloated after you've eaten it, and you know that it's super nutritious and healthy. So come into the detox kitchen. Right, everyone, let's get started. This is for you ladies out there that love bread with a little bit of butter on. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is get our flour ready. Now, I've chosen to use gluten-free flour. The next thing we are going to put in is sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. Both of them contain a lot of vitamin E and antioxidants, and really, really good, and also full of omegas. Here we've got some linseeds as well. Also fantastically healthy for you and packed with fiber, so really good for your digestive system. Then I'm going to put some psyllium husk in. I'm going to pop that. A little bit of baking powder, sprinkle that in. A little bit of salt. I like to use Himalayan pink salt. Right, and then a little bit of sesame seeds. Okay, we're just going to mix all of that up. Okay. So as you can see, it is just a lot of goodness in this bowl. Right, the next thing is going to be the yogurt. I've got a whole cup of plain Greek yogurt. All right, yogurt, very good, prebiotic, so really good for your gut health as well. And then 2 eggs. Just crack those into there. Great, so you're getting also added protein, omegas, and we're going to mix that in with our yogurt. Okay, and we're just going to give it a nice good mix. Now make sure you have preheated your oven to 160 degrees, and then also make sure that your baking tin has been sprayed or lined with some butter, just so nothing can stick. All right, so here we go. Make sure you get every single little bit in. Right. We're just going to spread that gently. It will rise. I know it looks like it's only half full, but it will rise. Okay. And then we are going to top it with some seeds, just to get that nice coating afterwards. So here I've just got the same, a little bit of sunflower seeds, linseeds, and pumpkin seeds, which I'm just going to sprinkle onto the top, like that. Just makes it look so nice when it comes out the oven. Right, and then I'm going to pop this in and I'm going to bake it for 50 minutes. Right. Right, it's been 50 minutes and my bread looks amazing. So I'm just going to pop it over here and just leave it for about 10 minutes just to cool slightly in the pan. You can use a little spatula and just loosen the sides a little bit. And we'll let that sit for 10 minutes, and then we'll pop it onto a nice board where we can slice it. Right, look how amazing this loaf of bread is. I know you're just dying to try this, like me. All right, so I've left it for about half an hour. I've got some lovely fresh butter here, and we're gonna have sliced tomatoes. So let me just slice it so you can see how wonderful this looks. Such a great thing to actually serve on a weekend when you have guests over as well. Everybody will be super impressed by homemade bread. If you would like to find out and get more of these recipes, then please do go to our website, healthyourself.co.za. We've got loads of fantastic recipes on there, and this bread recipe will be there. We look forward to hearing from you, and I'd love to know how this turned out for you. That's it from me, Christine Phillips. Stay healthy.